Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, welcome to the channel. This is Sewing with Sammie. Today we are going to make a pouch. It's called the Essential Pouch. It's by Sotak Co, I believe was their name. I purchased it off of Etsy, and they do have a YouTube tutorial as well on their page. I will link it down below if you wanted to check it out and make one yourself. They are perfect for a gift to your loved ones or even just for yourself. We use ours for our bike tools when we're at the bike park, our toiletries camping, even our daily essentials. We have loads of these and they are amazing. So let's get into it. Our fabric choice for today was the quilting cotton. I'm also using a fusible interfacing. For this pattern, you can do 1, 2, or 3 different prints for your fabric if you'd like. I decided to go with 2. I'm also doing the size medium option for this pattern. Let me know down below if you want me to skip this part in the next video. To make this part shorter, I recorded myself ironing one of each piece rather than all 6 pieces. We're also going to be ironing down our little zipper kind of tab fabric piece. And then we're pinning the top and bottom pieces together and sewing those on and adding a top stitch. Next up, we are prepping our zipper. I'm just cutting off the edges of the end of it. You want it at a 1/2 inch, just so you can put that fabric piece we previously ironed over top of it. So we're sewing that on, and then we are folding over the other edges. It's just tough to explain, but sewing that down, and then we're going to add it to our bag. When we're adding it to our bag, we're pinning them right sides together, and then we're going to do a top stitch as well. One thing I forgot to mention was that I am pressing down the 2 pieces I sewed together, just so that the top stitch does go on a little bit cleaner. So I did that earlier with the top and bottom piece, and now I'm doing it with the zipper and the inside liner. To make this pouch a little bit more personalized and unique, we are adding our sender patch. It isn't iron-on, so I will be doing that, but I also will sew over top just to give it some extra security. Next up, we have to pin and sew everything together. So we're going to match up our exterior panels and our lining. So on the lining side, we are leaving the bottom open a little bit, just so we can flip it right side out afterwards. So we left the four corners open. I'm going to iron down the raw edges, line those four corners up, and sew them down. Last step is to flip that bag right side out and sew over the opening. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Sewing with Sammie. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would use this bag for. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.